Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a how-to video, a how to use loose glitter. So if you do not know how to use loose glitter, or you're not kind of sure how to apply it, anything like that, keep on watching. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So let's jump right on and get started. Let's jump right on into this how to use loose glitter tutorial thingy. Okay, so I've already got my base going on and it is blue because I'm using blue glitter. So when you use glitter, whatever color you're using, you want some type of base along the same lines as that color, just in case little pieces pop through. It's not your skin and it's a color that matches the glitter. Okay, so let's get started. And let me apologize real quick for the lighting. I don't know if it's going to be that great because it's outside. It's kind of gloomy today. Okay, so I have the NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm just going to put some of that on the back of my hand. And you want to make sure that everything is open and ready to go. So there's no kind of like stalling in between. That should be enough. Should be, being the operative word there. Okay, I personally, you can use this with your finger, whatever you want to do. I personally like using it with a little tiny brush because I can get closer, like more precise. So I'm just going to put some of that on there. Kind of looks like that. Kind of looks like you're painting, you know. And then I'm going to start with the inner corner and kind of make a cut crease. And just work my way slowly that away. And drag it. And if it wipes off some of your base color, it's not a huge deal. Because it's going to. And after you get your crease going, kind of flick it. So it's going to blend in with whatever you put on this side. Okay, that should be good. Okay, so like I said, you want to have everything open because I don't. And you want to put a healthy, generous amount in your hand. Like that. Love this. I'll tell you in just a second what shade it is. I'm just going to use the same brush and pop that right on where the glue is. And again, you can use your hand, your finger, whatever you want to use. I just personally like using the brush because I feel like you get more on there and you can get like right up in a certain line wherever you're wanting it. I will tell you another little trick. Hang on. It's hard to do this when you're talking. If you do this, you are going to have a little bit of fallout. You can see kind of like the specklies on my face right there. You're going to have a little bit of fallout. It will brush away. If it bothers you, you can always do your eyes first and then do your makeup, and then you won't even see it. For me, it doesn't bother me. So it's not a big deal for me. And all of a sudden my eye started burning on this side. I don't know why. So you do the same thing with the other side. Get a blob of glue. And I always wipe off my brush, just like really good. That way I'm not putting other gunk on it, the other eye. And get a healthy amount. And do the same thing. Okay, after you've got your glue on, or your primer, whatever you want to call it, get a little dab more. However much you think you're going to end up using. And, like, it's not a big deal if you just got to blow it off in the full, because I do. And then just start packing it on there. Again, I'll show you what it looks like with using your finger. So, like that. And then you just tap it on. You do get a healthy amount. It's just harder to get like a precise up in that crease like I was telling you. With the brush, you can kind of guide where you're wanting it to go. And then after you have that done, you always have this little extra amount, and you cannot put it back in the tube, so I just blow it off. It makes little fairy dust everywhere. Okay, I'm going to tell you what shade this is because I forgot earlier. This one is in the shade Dark Side, and it is the NYX Glitter. Oh, I'm sorry. It is the NYX Metallic Glitter. That's what this one is. This stuff is fantabulous. Love this stuff. Okay, let me finish up my eyes, and then I will be right back to chat a little bit about it. So now that I have the rest of my eyeballs done, the only thing that I did is I popped on some eyeliner and mascara, and I deepened up this outer corner. Now, what you do with that, if you don't know, I do have some tutorials, and if you want to check them out, I will leave 1 or 2 of them linked up there. But just a little quick refresher. You just take a deeper shade, whatever you're wanting, and you want to like just kind of like lightly circle it, and it should not knock off any of that glitter. If it does, it will be very, very, very little bit, just a little. But you want to make sure you have a light hand in that area. But it is super easy to use loose glitter. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your eyes, obviously on your body, wherever really. I will, and I cannot stress this enough. If you use glitter on your eyes, make sure it is a cosmetic glitter. One by NYX, Wet n Wild makes some, other companies make them. Make sure it is a makeup brand that makes the loose glitter. You cannot use craft glitter on your eyes or near your eyes. People do, and it is very, very risky. Cosmetic glitter is rounded, so it will not cut your eyes. Craft glitter is squares, so it has sharp points, sharp corners, and that is a point in a corner, and it will cut your eye if it gets into it. Glitter will get into your eye. Just like any kind of eye makeup, it will get into your eye. Which, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't, you can't even feel it. Like, I get glitter in my eye all the time. It's no big deal. But it's cosmetic glitter, so it will not cut my eyeball out. So please, 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 I'm begging you, please do not use craft glitter on your eyes. Only use cosmetic glitter. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned how to use loose glitter. And if you enjoyed this video, please, please, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.